The user accounts page allows us to search for individual users on the platform, either by first name or last name, by their permissions user group, by their current status, or their location. Leaving these fields blank and hitting search will bring up all user accounts. I can then see from this page here the relevant information for each user, and by selecting the settings cog I can choose to go in and review and edit the information. The information will appear either as free type field boxes, such as the first name and last name here, as drop down menus, as seen by the domain name list for email addresses, or as yes/no sliders that work in the same way as tick boxes. Once changes have been made, I simply hit update to save those changes. In addition, it will show any teams or departments that person is a member of, if they work within the contact centre, what their hierarchy is, and any additional numbers that have been added to the platform. If at any point you're unsure what permission level somebody has, clicking View Permissions will show you exactly what they have access to, either as an allow, read only, or its absence. Next, within the user settings section is teams and departments. In here you can set up teams and departments that will be referenced in instant messaging, reporting, and the company directory. To add a new contact, I simply hit plus in the bottom left hand corner, or to edit, I can hit the settings cog. Finally, in allowed emails, this shows all the domain names that are currently allowed to be used for user accounts. User accounts must be logged in using an email address. These can be deleted, can be changed so there is a new primary connection to a particular domain when new users are being set up, or I can use the plus button to create a new domain. This plus button is also available on the user accounts page, and for setting up new users is a case of completing the relevant fields and hitting next to complete the process. When going through this process, you may create new extension numbers or associate them with existing extension numbers.